In case of ask this question, how can I make my camera work again if you're having a challenge with your Windows 10 camera, which I know is common, but then I think I found a way out, and that is by first going to a device manager, and then if you're using a Dell machine, you may probably go to imaging and devices. So here you have to delete everything here, like uninstall, you understand? Uninstall and restart your PC. When you restart your PC, you are likely to get this one and that one back, excluding this one. Follow my link carefully. Now, since you don't have the virtual one, we're going to download it ourselves. That is how come we ended up on the Intel site. So here, make sure your download is based on what you see here, front F200, or yours may be like R200 or something. So make sure you download what's meant for your device. So you can see some here, SR300, R200 and F200. My own is F200, so I downloaded the F200. This is my download here. Now you open it and install. I've done my installation, so I won't do it again. When you install, you're going to have this one, Intel RealSense 3D Camera Virtual Driver, in addition to your other camera devices. The moment you finish that, your camera must work now. This is my own. I wouldn't like to show my face, so forgive me. I think we are good to go. Thanks for watching the video, and ask any question and I'll be glad to help you solve your camera issue in Windows 10. Bye.